Hi, I'm Lewis. Today I will be unboxing the new Fisheye media.
What y'all niggas know about the dirty style? One time. Lord forgive me for I've said over and over again, just to stay on top. Recall memories with sin over and over again.
Oh yeah.
Yo, when you hear talk of the South Side, you hear talk of the team. You niggas fear Prince and respected Preem. For all you slow motherfuckers, I'ma break it down iller. See, Preem was the businessman and Prince was the killer. Remember? He used to push the bulletproof BM, say I get you seasick. I sat back and peep shit. They roll with easy water then. They ain't get blunted. Had the whole projects working for 50 or 500. As a youth, all I ever did was sell crack. I used to idolize Cat. Hurt me to my heart to hear that nigga snitched on Pat. How you go out like that? Rumors in the hood was just for snitching. I ain't believe that, Paul. He helped me cop my first year XR. Had the 4Runner, the Z, the 5 and the 3. Used to drive his truck through the hood, dragging jet skis from Gerald Wallace to Baby Wise. Don't be surprised at how freely I throw our names of guys who dealt with pies like LA and Wise. L got shot in the neck, then told us connect. Them niggas who shot him got him for 10 bricks. Fucking Dominicans turned around and gave him more bricks. Lord forgive me for I've said over and over again, just to stay on top. I recall memories filled with sin over and over again and again. That first verse was just a dose of the shit that I'm on. Consider this the first chapter in the ghetto Quran. I know a lot of niggas like your dough like Benny and Joe. And Prince and Righteous from Hillside with the mole on his nose. Throughout my struggles in the hood, I started learning. Life's a bitch with a pretty face, but she burning. Man, I'ma get cheese like Chaz, then run through whips like Seagull. Gamble all the time like country curly head Prince and Tom Popo under pressure too. They know what they facing. Go against crews like Debo and killers like Pappy Mason. A lot of niggas I know been corrupted since birth. The raw nuns for fun, for everything they worth. I know some cats that hell like whole complexes like holy wall. Together niggas stand and divided they fall. Round here, shook niggas they keep it in motion. Come around here with your roller, you can get robbed like ocean. Lord knows, Tommy had Lord
Hope you enjoy.